Samsung is currently the market leader in the foldable phone space. There's high interest in the next set of foldable devices the company will launch, and that's where the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes in. The clamshell device has seen regular improvements through the years. It will get a massive upgrade later this year. Some might say it will be the best upgrade in the series' history. Namely, every bit of evidence indicates that the Flip 5 will have a bigger cover display, and now more details about its size and whereabouts have emerged. It won't have a 3.14-inch cover display as previously rumored, but an even larger 3.8-inch panel according to Roshan. As we exclusively predicted, the cover screen should cover almost the entire front half of the Flip 5. The 3.8-inch panel is a big upgrade over the 1.9-inch cover display employed by the Galaxy Flip 4, and coincidentally, it's the same size as the inner display of the old Galaxy Folder 2. The latter was a flip phone, but in the classical sense. It didn't have a foldable panel and featured one tall 3.8-inch display, thus leaving even the Oppo Find N2 Flip, for instance, in the dust in addition to Motorola's entire modernized Razr family to date. This freshly rumored 3.8-inch figure is not corroborated by a second source yet, but Young has been known to swim against the current and ultimately prove 100% accurate before, so we definitely wouldn't be shocked if Samsung indeed doubled the Z Flip 5's cover screen real estate compared to the Flip 4. Perhaps even more remarkable is what the largest smartphone manufacturer around the globe is reportedly preparing for the Galaxy Fold 5 in that same department. Believe it or not, the Fold 4 sequel is tipped to sport an absolutely huge 6.6-inch secondary display. But of course, this tidbit is not etched in stone at the moment either, and it probably won't be official until August. Whatever the case, the one thing that I am most excited about is how Samsung implements the cover display on the Flip 5. Considering how it will be a proper ratio, I want to see whether or not the display on the back can be used the way a user would want to. Not to forget, the new foldable devices will also bring a water drop hinge, making these phones durable and giving them the ability to fold completely flat. So what are your thoughts on Samsung's this decision? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.